got that on camera? Good.
I feel like this one is 20 and that one would be closer to 30 if that one's 20.
How about, what do you think if I took this and like threw it down the driveway for a while first before I put it in the car? Would that be good or? No, probably not.
Doesn't matter to me.
That sounds more like a Whistlin diesel trick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Whistlin diesel. Alright. So this rigmarole goes back on like that. I couldn't get the muffler off. I couldn't get these exhaust hangers out of the rubber until I unbolted this bracket, 2 bolts. And then took this off with the muffler. So I don't know why they would design it that you have to take a bracket off to get these exhaust hangers out, but that's the way it is. So we're now going back together. Yep. Get that guy on there. And this bracket thing goes like that. This thingamadoodad goes like this. There we go. Okay, so that's up there, and this is up here. So it's at least not going to fall to the ground again. As much fun as that sounds. And well, nice. There's that. Okay. I'll get this bolt started.
Oh, I like that. It sticks out a little bit further than the other. Some people would be interested in that.
Before you tighten up exhaust, always get all your hangers in place, get everything all fit together.
Yep.
And then the last thing you do is tighten up your clamps. If you tighten up first, you won't get your clamps, you won't get all your things won't be lined up as well, they'll be more likely to leak.